Okay, so for 41 we are proving, which another word for prove is verify. So if you identified that verify keyword, another word for prove is to verify. We only want to work on one side. Okay, that's it. So for this first one, for letter A, I literally work just on the left. Notice cosine stays the same throughout this. So for A, I'm going to take sine theta, leave it the same. Cotangent theta is going to be cosine over sine. So notice I have a sine over 1, and if a sine's on top and bottom, I can cancel it. Therefore, I'm just left with cosine of theta equals cosine of theta. For letter B, I'm actually going to FOIL sine x plus cos x, and remember that's sine x plus cos x times sine x plus cos x. And yes, you do need to sine x times sine x times cos x times sine x, and cos x times cos x. When you simplify that, you get sine squared x plus 2 sine x cos x plus cos squared x equals, again, 1 plus sine 2x. Okay, all of those should be the same on this right side. Then you are going to simplify. Notice that you have sine squared x plus cos squared x. If I pull those together, that's equal to 1. So notice this right here then turned to just 1 in the step below. So this whole thing just turned to 1. Still left with 2 sine x cos x, but if you notice 2 sine x cos x is a double angle. So I write that as sine of 2x, and therefore you see 1 plus sine of 2x on both sides. For letter C, I'm going to first simplify the 1 plus cotangent squared x, which is a Pythagorean identity. That is equal to cosecant squared x. So notice this changed to this. Then if you notice cosecant and cosecant, there's one of each on the top and bottom, so I cross those out. I'm left with 1 over cosecant, which is the reciprocal function sine of x. Finally, for D, I have sine of theta over cos, I think this should be a theta, I think it just kind of got mixed up, plus cos theta over sine theta. Now for this one, I'm going to first get a common denominator. So for this one, I'm going to take and multiply by the opposite denominator. So this fraction I'm going to multiply by sine over sine because this denominator right here. And then this fraction I'm going to multiply by cosine over cosine because of the cosine here. When I multiply these, I'm then left with sine, cosine, which gives me a common denominator. Sine squared plus cos squared is 1, so sine squared plus cos squared turned to 1. And then 1 over sine is secant, and 1 over cosine is cosecant.